Hi, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to drive this Lego train. So my Lego train here, if you look inside the port, there's a motor here, and that one is port A, which is connected to the light. That one is port B, which is connected to the driving. So if you look on there, it has port A, so that will be the light and the brightness. That says port B, which will be the driving. If I put the roof back on, now we're going to do the on and off. So to turn it on, you just want to press that button there and wait till it flashes. Then you'll want to press that button there. Then it'll stop flashing, and then it'll mean that it's ready. So to go forward, to do the lights, that is the lights. You can turn them up with the plus. You can turn them as bright as you want. If you want to turn them down, you can press the minus. If you want to turn them off fully, you can just press the red button there and they go off. If you want to turn the train on, you can press that plus. And then if you want to slow this train down, you can press the minus. And then to automatically stop it, you can press that red button. Okay. If you want, you can also get some train track like me. And then to turn it off, you just want to hold the green button till it starts flashing really quick. Like that, and just let go. That will start flashing, and then when it stops, it's ready. And there we go. And that is a tutorial on how this train works.